Wolf Girl here. Today I'm going to be making St. Patrick's Day Pot of Gold slime. What you will need is cute green washi tape for decorating the container, metallic gold paint, gold sparkles for decoration, a cup and a mixing stick, shaving cream, glue, a container to store your slime in, a glue gun, and Tide for activation. First, pour your glue into your cup. Next, pour your gold paint into the glue. Then add some sparkles. Next, add some shaving cream to make it look fluffy. Then stir. Then finally pour your Tide in. Then stir. And it'll slowly activate.